Bill Garnett here, DeNooyer Chevrolet, 5800 Stadium Drive, Kalamazoo, Michigan. And we're going to talk about vehicle maintenance again. And one of the things, this is more of a periodic maintenance, and that's your vehicle's battery. And you know, obviously, there's a lot going on with vehicles today with all the different modules and sensors and everything that beeps and blinks and all the things that let you know what's going on with the vehicle. Because of that, I would say that we see batteries last anywhere from about 3 to 4 years. After that, it is more or less, on borrowed time. So the vehicle's batteries that you find now, they are maintenance free. So you cannot check, the water level or anything like that. And it's just if they're good, they're good. If they're not, they're not. But one of the things we do here is that we can go ahead and test that battery for you whenever you're here for simple maintenance, oil change, or anything like that. We can do a battery test right there for you. So again, you have many modules in the vehicle that are in various stages of shutting down or possibly waking your vehicle. So there's always a draw on those batteries. So we want to make sure that, especially your vehicle is around 3 years old now, or pushing that close to 4 years, you might want to give us a call and come on in, let us check that out for you. Make sure your battery is in good shape. Again, Bill Garnett, DeNooyer Chevrolet, 5800 Stadium Drive, Kalamazoo, Michigan.